So, Daddy just got done building this, and it's on wheels, and it's from the bottle brush tree. And here we've got Charlie. Wait, let's back up. All 10 birds are on it. Here we've got Charlie because he was just picked on by just one of you. Here, baby, Charlie. He goes, Mama, I don't want to go back on because of him. Kamali. There we got Sunny, Fidget and Phineas. You two. They're the Gestapo. Oh, don't show me your butt. There's Luca and Indy. And for my birthday, Mr. Bonkers. It's an English budgie, which, wow, he's so much bigger. Come here, Phineas. Phineas, oh, hang on the tail, baby. Hey, tiny. Now, you don't want to go around Luca. Phineas, come here. I want to sit you right by Mr. Bonkers. There we go. He's a lot bigger. Mr. Bonkers. Here we are. And Phineas. We called him Mr. Bonkers because he keeps flying off and going bonk. And he looks like an old English chap. So that's for the Mr. This is the Gestapo. Now maybe they will just stay on this tree and not go all over the house. So Sweetie Pie, Sunny, Charlie, Indy, Mr. Bonkers, Phineas, Luca, and Fidget. Hello, Fidget. Fidget. Charlie, he just wants to come to Mama. Hello, baby. So anyway, very, very cool thing. As you can see, it can roll. So there it is. Say bye-bye.